guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter. And today, as you can see, we're back in front of my green screen right here, and we're actually in my room, or studio if you want to call it. And today, I'm going to be giving you guys an updated behind the scenes studio tour of what goes on here in the Roller Coaster Crafter's lair. So in both this studio and the one I have upstairs where I build all of the Connects coasters you see on this channel, I'm going to show you guys kind of the process of how I do things in both these rooms and all the stuff that I use to create magic for you guys. So enjoy today's video and let's take a little behind the scenes tour on how this all works.
So first off here, we just got the desk right here. This is my new desk that I now use to build everything and fill with drawers and everything. So in this first drawer, we have all of my flash drives and everything, a whole bunch of stuff, and also 3D plastic stuff that I use to print logos like this right here, especially for our next upcoming coaster, Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure. Gonna be awesome. So we have all the 3D print stuff. I got some colored pencils, just a whole bunch of art stuff that I use to draw on paper, and also we got a whole bunch of flash drives keeping all my videos on there. And then over here, obviously, we got everything that I edit on. This is my MacBook Pro, and we also got just a few things, that all the cords and everything. And also we got some trees for Hagrid's as well. I am well preparing for everything that is going on. And over here, down here, this is where I usually draw a whole bunch of plans or logos, templates that I can just draw on to use the 3D pen on or something. And obviously we got this computer right here. This is the Lego Mindstorms computer, and we're going to be using this for Hagrid's as well. So as you can see, big preparation for my next coaster. It is going to be really cool. And also over here we just got a few Connects because I'm going to be building in here. This is also, I usually use this area right here just to test a few things before I bring it upstairs and actually put it into motion with the rest of the coaster stuff. So that is really it for this little studio. It's really just my bedroom, but I always sit right here. I'm always sitting in this chair hours just making videos and editing and publishing them to YouTube and just doing a whole bunch of stuff right here in this room. So let's go ahead, take a trip to the upper studio, and we're gonna check out the rest of the stuff. And here we are over in the upper studio, and we got a whole lot of things to cover. First things over here, these are bins full of just storage. Some of them are empty, but some of them actually have some Connects in them that I don't normally use. And over here we got the lights in here, just the LEDs and the black lights that I usually use for pretty much almost every single coaster. Then over here, this is the main products. Over here we got all the Connects. We got them all separated by function. These are the big rods, got some small rods, and then we got the micro ones in these bins right here. You might be wondering, why do I have all of these preset pieces? These are what I call headers. I call them headers because these are the ones that go directly to the track. As you can see with this example right here, these are the types of pieces that I use for connecting the structure to the track almost all the time, especially on straightaways or lift hills, stuff like that. And then obviously we got another tripod here that I use for time-lapsing. We got our trains, always very, very useful. We got the track, also very useful, and a whole bunch of like construction paper, some train backings. These are all of like the different trains that I have. And I just, they're all interchangeable. You just screw them off and then screw them back on to the cars and everything. Over here we got the whole thing for gears. Then we got some more track, just a whole bunch of it. I've been collecting it for years. Then some chain. This is, you know, it's a big mess of chain. Over here, then we also got the station that I've been using also for years, coasters. This station has just been through multiple phases and been changed out depending on which coaster it is, that I would change it to, you know, match whatever the coaster is. Over here we got the giant spinal track, and including flexi rod track that I've now been using. And these new boxes right here, this has been keeping me organized. We got these little tackle boxes that I've been putting pieces in. So every piece is now separated rather than all of them just being thrown into one giant bin. So that way I can now find all the little tiny pieces right here. Very easy to find now, so I can just pick them out and the building process goes a lot faster. So yeah, there you guys have it for this upper studio right here, and that's really how I organize all my stuff for Connects roller coasters and everything. So let me know if you guys have any more questions about things. Let me know down in the comments below what you have, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos as I'll keep them coming. Thank you guys, I'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!